All right, welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Okay, yeah, there's so much going on right now. I'm overwhelmed by the activity. There are already multiple repositories that already have the game compiled and running. People already doing big changes and things. Yeah, whereas on my side, I go much, much slower, but I think that is fine. There are some big decisions that need to be made early, and quite frankly, I don't have all the answers. I'm very happy actually if others chime in and find the right path, the right decisions. I think OmniBlade has typically good vision on how to set up projects from the get-go. So I think that will be, there's a wealth of information, wealth of knowledge that can guide us. Okay, so for starters, I said that in this session, I would like to break down the change from OmniBlade, where he added the various things into smaller changes, and then we just added to a new branch. So right now we are here on this one, select branch. Okay, we can't because we have pending changes, so we stash them. So let's see, select branch, yeah. Then we create a new branch, create branch. Create branch, put it here in subfolder so I can easily see where it is, and then we say CMake setup, CMake minus setup. Okay. Well, let's say CMake dependencies setup. Okay, so basically that's the first step. We want to get the dependencies right, the CMake setup, so that this just works. That's the goal, I think. Right. Good. So we have that. So what I will start with, what do we have here? Okay, we have all these files here. Yeah. Okay, so what we do, we cherry pick OmniBlade's change, cherry pick this commit. We don't commit it yet, we just cherry pick it, and I hope that this will be fine. Yeah, okay, this looks good. There are many changes in staging. Git ignore, so he added a bunch of things here. Yeah, let me, and should CMake setup. Yeah. Dependencies. Yeah. So dependencies Bing stup. Bing stup. Bing stup. Okay, first I think we need to unstage everything. How about we add the dependencies one by one? Yeah, the original dependency. So we can add the STL port first, maybe. Add STL port dependency patched with provided diff. STL port. Changes to avoid linking. Oof, this will be hard to break down. I did quite a lot. So you made changes to avoid linking to LZHL, zlib, compression libraries, and bench. Let me see. So that would be where? Not these. mss.h. Okay. U32. Make sure these values are appropriate. Otherwise, I give myself 10 out of 10. Okay. Okay, copy protection, define, do copy protection. Okay. New API adds unique nick and CD key, which are empty strings here. Yeah, it's a bit unfortunate that he's not linking against. Yeah, so the game spy that he has put into the assembly Armada is a newer version. Yeah. Okay, let me put this in a notepad. Oh, this will be a lot of work, I think. Okay, let's remove the commit message. Looks like most of the stuff is STL ports, yeah, actually, isn't it? And mild stop and Bing stop. Yeah. Okay, I think what we can already do is add the Bing stop. Bing stop. CMake. Mild stop, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so how about we make a separate commit for add Bing stop. Add Bing stop, what did OmniBlade say? Add stops for Bing and miles linking. Add Bing stop. Actually, we can put it probably in one. They're kind of related, right? So we put this. And we put this. And then for miles linking. Add Bing stop and miles stop for linking miles. Bing stop and miles stop for linking miles. Let's say here another comment authored by OmniBlade's. So I might stop for linking Miles, authored by OmniBlade's. So that is step 1. Now for step 2, I think the STL port, if I'm not mistaken, I would expect that the STL port he has taken from here, this one. So what we can do is let me go to folder, projects, Superhackers, generals, game code, dependencies, and STL port. Let's rename this to temp. No. Then we take the new STL port, this one here, copy. Then we put here STL port. Yeah. Then we put this inside. What version is this? Can we see it somewhere? Version? No. Yeah, I don't know. Hewlett Packard. Yeah, so yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this is the right version. I guess we will see. So what I think we just do, we commit this and then we copy the other one over, and then we should have like the upgrade, the clean upgrade. Where's it? So this one, and we say what was OmniBlade's comment at STL port at STL port dependency, authored by OmniBlade. Yeah. At STL port, authored by OmniBlade. Yeah. Stage. And yeah, dependencies. Commit. Okay, there it is. And so my hope now is that we can copy these ones over there, and then it will be the diff that has to be applied. Right? Let's see. STL port. Yeah, that looks like it. He also added a CMake list. Yeah, okay. Maybe the CMake list, I think we can put it there as well. Actually, no, let's make it a separate change. Unstage. Okay, let's stage. Yeah, well, let's stage all these, and then we unstage the CMake list. Yeah. And yeah, let's take a quick look over it. Yeah, it seems to be right. What do we have here? Long already defined. Pragma once. Yeah, okay. Product. pragma warning push MSVC misbehaves with this. Okay, this looks good to me. So basically the list in the README down here it said STL port. Yeah, apply STL port diff to STL port files. Authored by OmniBlade's. Apply STL port diff to STL port files. Is there anything else we need to do? I don't think so. Apply STL port diff to STL port files. Yeah, maybe what we can do is we can one more sanity look. Oh well, that's not sanity look. Well, I suspect that he applied it with the automation, with the script, right? He didn't do it by hand. Yeah, I mean, it's impossible to do by hand. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, then I think we can commit this. All right, that looks good. Okay, so far looks so good. That means we can also delete. We can delete this TMP, right? Okay. Then next step is what is this here? Wrap STD. Why is this showing up now? Hold on. STL port. Oh, wrap STD. Oh, somehow I missed that. Okay, hold on. Looks like I made a mistake here. Okay, let's get back the TMP. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. Why was this missed? Wrap STD. Yeah, I don't know why I did miss that, but I think what we can do is we do advanced, create a fix subcommit on this one, and then we put in these guys, and that should be fine. Yeah, let's commit this. And then we need to stash. And then we do a rebase, interactive rebase, auto squash, rebase, and I will merge these together. And now it's one. Yeah, add STL for dependency and this one. And now we can stash pop again. There we go. Okay, so we have that. Did we miss anything else? The CMake list we do now. Yeah. Okay. Libraries, data compression manager. Oof. I wonder why he did that. Why did he? Why did he comment this out? Let me open a chat. Um, um, why? Why? Why is? Yeah. So why? What is the name of this compression thingy? Yeah, ZH and zlib. Can we just comment out the LZH and zlib stuff like that? Why not? Should we? Do we not need to preserve that piece? I'm a bit curious. Maybe the compression manager is not used? That would be weird, no? Here. Or maybe that the goal was here to like replace it with something else. I don't understand. This needs, I need some more info on this one. Because my first instinct would be to like put the zlib and LZH there. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I think now we can remove the temp. And yeah, good. Yeah, so we can add the CMake stuff here. Let's do that. CMake, and CMake lists, CMake preset. In-game chat. So we don't do the code changes, apply yet. This one, all these guys. Okay, it's not so many. It's not for any tools yet. It's just for a game. Okay, well, this one we need to unstage. Monkey funk. I'm not so happy with commenting out of stuff. But if OmniBlade thinks it's a most reasonable step to do for now, then maybe that's the way to go. But I would like to check with him once more. Maybe Yeah, because I mean it's not too much stuff that was touched. I mean the compile fixes would be fine. But yeah, this one I'm a bit suspicious about, the compression manager. This one is fine. This one is fine. This one is fine. What is here? Let's make it larger. Time t modified. Why is there another argument? Modified? Is it used? But persistent storage thread. I don't understand. Is this like a mismatch with the header, or what is this? This is the wrong repo. Let's open another instance. Open folder. Data SSD. Projects. And General's game code. There we go. Okay. Let's see it. So in the header, in the header we have, there is no time t. I don't understand. What is this change for? He added a new parameter in there. Okay, I think what we can do is we apply one change after another, or maybe we just like remove one change and then we compile and then we see like, okay, what is needed. But yeah, it's very suspicious. I would like to be very cautious here with making changes. It would be nice to like avoid touching many things in order to make it compile with VC6, right? Okay. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that here as well. Is that because he added because the different right, different different games by a client. Yeah. Stage. Okay, how about we add git ignore first, and in the git ignore I would also like to add git ignore dot star and not dot git ignore, not dot git what kind of other variants are there? Attributes, not dot git. Not dot git ignore, not dot git attributes. Not dot not dot git. I think there's another git thingy, but I don't remember. Git ignore. Yeah. Basically here, how do we put comments in git ignore? Comments in git ignore. Oh, okay. I see. Ignore everything starting with dot except git ignore. Except git files. Yeah, because folders starting with dots are typically used as local project files. Like, so for example, here's the VS Code, .vs Code, .git rewrite, and here .vs 2022, right? So all these things are like local to the user, and they're not supposed to be submitted back into the repository. Yeah. Okay. Add git ignore authored by OmniBlade. Yeah. Add git ignore authored by OmniBlade. By the way, can we see? Git ignore authored by OmniBlade. Okay. Then next we will add the CMake files. CMake. Yeah, looking good. All right. Good. Add. So what did OmniBlade say? Add initial CMake build files. Let's say build files. So this is also authored by OmniBlade. Add initial CMake build files. This is targeted for 0 hour game. Yeah, it's not for tools and not for let's say for generals MD. Yeah. Add initial CMake build files for generals MD. Yeah. Because that's the parent folder here, right? Yeah. Okay, I think that's good. Let's commit that. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so right now I'm a bit skeptical about this removal of compression. So I would like to discuss or like ask OmniBlade if this is really the way to go. Because to me it looks like it would be better if we would add the dependencies and then, yeah, have that work. Yeah. Okay, but what we can do, let's build this right now. So we open our terminals, command prompt, and we go to cd d and cd build cd build vc6, and then we do I think we wrote it here somewhere. All right, we have it in here in the CMake scripts. So basically we just run, we need to run this one first, this one, and then this one. Let's see. I think it's building debug right now. But it's okay. I think we can test with debug build because there are more stuff is inside. So I think that's a good way to test the compiler. Yeah. Okay, let's have that run through. PR notifications. Oof. Game codes, settings. Webhooks guides. Let me blacken my screen real quick, and I think I will need to edit. Yeah, I will be right back. Okay, and yeah, let me put the screen back. There we go. So PR notifications only when a review is submitted. So he wants a feedback when a pull request is opened. Pull request, close converted, opened. Okay, this one then. Okay. Update webhook. Let me hide this one more. Yeah. Let me leave the settings and let's put it back here. Yeah, there's an API key. That's why I want to hide this temporarily. Good. Let me write. Should be fixed. Should be fixed now. Good. So it is building right now, and it's actually failing. Okay. Cannot open include file d3dx math. Why did we break the linkage to in our dependencies? Let's see. I don't understand. Open include file. Ah, right. We didn't. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, I think what we should do is, oof. Yeah. So basically we need to stash pop. I hope that will be fine. Oof. So these are how many files? 19. Yeah. Okay, so if we do stash pop, do we get a merge conflict? No. Okay, that's good. Okay, so we added this thing here, MSSH, CPU detect. Yeah, okay, so basically we have these. Yeah, but I think that's not the way to do it right now, right? DX90 SDK. CPU detect. I don't know why this line was touched. What happened here? What? Huh? What is this? Oof. This looks very suspicious. I'm not sure what's going on here. Seems like we changed the file type, so this one is that. Oops. USSK. Huh. What is the symbol there? What is this symbol? What is this? So what I'm worried about right now is that this symbol somehow is changed. I don't know if it's just the viewer or what is going on. I mean, it must have been edited on save somehow, this symbol. I hate this. I remember we had similar issues with... okay, I have an idea. So let's say I revert this, yeah? I reset this. Ah, it doesn't work. Look at that. Huh. Reset doesn't work. So what if we say... So I think we had similar problems here. So that we added this git attributes, set the default behavior in case core auto crlf is not set. Text file to always be normalized and converted to native line endings. Yeah. So how about we make a copy of this one. Actually, let's take it from here and we put it in here. And then we remove all this stuff down here. So if you put here day-h.cpp txt, oh well, hold on, let's not save this. Edit. Yeah, we remove this, but don't need that. Empty py. .h.cpp. Yeah, let's see what this does. So let's reset this. Doesn't change it. I don't know what's going on here. It's very strange. So if we do, so if we go here on edit and we revert this to that, what is the symbol? It's a mu. Yeah, okay, so we have to change it. Go here, F5. Okay, now it's gone. Yeah, so, and if we save it again, I mean, it's a weird character in here. So let's say we make an edit and we save it once more. Okay, now it's fine. And if we remove the git attributes, let's rename it to something else. It's fine. Now we edit this file. We save it. F5. It's also fine. I have no idea why it changed before. No idea. Okay, I don't know if we need the git attributes then for now. but now it seems to be fine. Okay, I have no idea what just happened there, but basically what happens is that there's a bug here in this string. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. No, now it's back here. Oh. Uh-oh. Ah, it's a different file. Speed detect. I have no idea what's going on with this thing. It's bonkers. Okay, let's reset that. Okay. Yeah. How about we say dependencies? Let's say readme.txt. Put DirectX and put DirectX and put DirectX includes and lib directories here. And here we say put lib debug help .dll here. Oh, it's .lib actually. Ah, not DLL, .lib. I guess it's just temporary. I mean, it can still change, right? Okay, include lib. Yeah. Maybe I say copy or symlink DirectX include and lib directories here. Or copy or symlink relevant. Yeah. Okay. Now we got it. Let's do the same here. Good. Then we got that. So let's take this one and this one. Speed detect. So this was for crash fix on runtime. We don't need this for now. I think these ones actually need to go in here into Windows. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we unstage this one, and we put this guy here, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. Yeah. And readme mss.h. Yeah. At temporary dependencies folders for temporary manual dependencies folders for the X90 SDK and debug help. Fix. What about, so this one, I think there are pull requests open. I'm going to sleep during cutscenes on systems with low display turnoffs. So here commits. Let me see. Fix up a few errors while trying to compile locally. What is this? Right, let's also take this change here. FTTP. So, let me see. CMake list, this one. Download source. Yeah, so I think we just copy this one. These and this one. Yeah. Okay. So that's that. Put that here. And then we take readme, update readme. This is blocked in git ignore, but it is needed. All right, this one is also required. Yeah. Did we already add this? So this file, this profile file. No, we did not. Generals MD code libraries wizard source profile CMake list. So we do have it here. I mean, if it, so it is hidden in, so it was not added because of the git ignore. Because there is a profile somewhere, no? Why is this not added? Profile? It's not here. Why is this ignored? Why is this why is this ignored? Source profile CMake list. Source profile. Huh? Okay, so if we remove this, or let's rename it to something. Yeah. Then we get a whole lot of files. Oh, a whole lot of object files. Oof. Let's try to find this lib folder. Here, profile. Profile. Huh. I don't understand. Okay, let's put back the git ignore. It's a bit messy. No, the profile is not here. It should be here in proximity, but it's not there. Let's close this one here. Quite frankly, I don't understand why this is being ignored. We do have a CMake list txt in there. But it's not part of this. Oh, there's another git ignore. Oof. Okay, so it's this one here. Yeah, so how do we fix that? Well, so we have to remove that. Build output folders profile. Yeah, I think we just comment it out for now. And I think that will be okay. So we have this now, and now we have this as well. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's see if this compiles now. So were there any other changes necessary? So this one we have applied. We have some README changes here from Richard Bögli. What is this one here? Can we see it? Fixed up a few errors we're trying to compile locally. Huh? This one contains everything? I'm a bit confused. Oh boy, it's lagging. Stop it. What is this? Source, Discord. Fixed up this one here. Okay, here added links, DX8 SDK. Yeah. Okay, so this one we didn't need to do, luckily, and this one we didn't need to do as well, so this is fine. Yeah, okay. Okay, so we got this one covered, this one is covered, this one is the same, I think. This one is covered, and this one as well. The README is not yet. Yeah, okay. I do expect that this now compiles. Yeah. And yeah, I'm still not sure about this specific thing there with the compression, stripping zlib and so on. Why this was necessary? Maybe that was just a temporary tweak. Yeah. Okay, but so far I think we got a pretty clean history, I would say, which is nice. Yeah, so we added the stubs here, STL port, then we applied the STL port difference, then we added the git ignore, and now then we added the initial CMake build files, and now we're making a change that fixes some of the errors from the original changes from OmniBlade to make it work in principle. And yeah, then we will see next steps. Yeah. It's quite aggressive here, this this stuff here. Yeah. Maybe we should wrap this in a macro where we say it's compiled out because of something and not comment out without comments. Yeah. It's a bit more quiet this morning. Yesterday evening was very busy. Everyone chatting. It's hard for me to keep track on all the conversations. I think I would just like to focus on building. Yeah, like we've done before. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, there will be a lot of work to do. Yeah, so first goal, I think OmniBlade said that he won't be able to work on this today. So I suspect that progress will be a bit on the slower side towards his Visual Studio 2022 goals. But it's some people have already put it all together by their own means without CMake setups and things like this. So there are already some repositories that start fixing things and making everything compiles all the tools. So here we are actually in the slow side, what you're observing. Yeah, this is not the cutting edge. Yeah, but that's fine. That's fine. Yeah. No need to rush. The build with VC6 is really slow because it just compiles one file at a time. There is no parallel compilation, which is typically what you can do in modern Visual Studios. You can put a compiler flag and then the MSVC compiler will crunch the numbers with many threads. Okay, how about we take a look at the red, well, update readme. Update readme. Oof. I was thinking, how about we what does this look like? Code space. I don't know what that is. Can we view it here? View file. Yeah. Oh. Copy DX8 SDK into dependencies folder. Works through 3 errors. Channels MD. Yeah, that is not necessary. These things should not be necessary. Yeah, okay, but maybe he has already updated license. I'm wondering if we should maybe make a copy of the original README and leave the original just intact, and then we have like a new README on top of it. Why does it say CMake here? What is this? I think that's a mistake. This image here, that looks like a mistake. Yeah, has he removed it? Let's see. Okay, here he has simplified it. That's good. Util sing help. Yeah. What is util sing? What is this? Let me see. Util sing. Huh? I don't understand. Util sing help. Utilizing. Utilizing. Okay, I understand. Yeah, so I think it would be good to maybe not touch the original README for now. So I wonder if we can do, so we have readme md. Oof. Well, if we put a readme txt, then I expect the readme md just overwrites that. Yeah. Let's put the work in progress, git attributes. Readme. I mean, we could rename the original readme and just make a copy of it. Yeah. 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 So we could make a copy like that, and then we say this is readme original. Yeah. And then we edit the original, this one here. Yeah. Because I mean, there's only one readme that will show. Maybe we should call it original readme so that there's no chance that by accident it's being used to show. Because I think GitHub is programmed in a way that it looks for a readme file, like a txt or md or something like that, and then it will display this, and others not. Yeah. Original readme. Yeah. We can do it like this. Yeah, and then we can apply those texts that Richard has added. Yeah. Okay. I mean, so far it's not too bad, but yeah, I have questions here about this stuff. Okay. Okay. Add empty dependency folders for this and this, and fix miles stop and fix miles stop profile and the dependencies folders. Let's fix miles stop profile. Yeah, I think that is enough for documentation of this one. Yeah. So the build setup is okay, I would say, for building everything. This is all that is required. But we still need to submit the changes here. And I would like to understand why some things are commented out. Yeah. Commit. Good. And mss.h. Yeah. I wonder, can we avoid this change by putting dependency miles.h clean up miles ms. Maybe we should have a folder here, MSS. Yeah, let's give it a try. Oh no, how about put a MSS and we put this header in here and we make it also uppercase like it is here. Yeah, or maybe not. Maybe leave it lowercase. MSS. It stands for Mild Sound System, by the way. Yeah. So like this, and then in the CMake list, we say include directories, current source there. And then here we put slash build interface, current source, build interface, miles.public, current source dir. So if we put MSS here, would that work? Maybe. I'm not sure what this is here with the build interface thingy. Why is this necessary? My instinct would have been to just put this and that would be done, but let's see if that compiles though. Yeah, let's see. Actually, hold on. Why don't we, in those stubs, I have a better idea. We just say here MSS/MSS, and here as well MSS/MSS. There we go. And then here we can remove this again. There we go. I think this will work. Let's rebuild. Hold on. Cancel. That means we should now be able to revert. Let me close this one here. We should be able to revert Miles Sound Audio Manager. This one. Yeah. Miles Audio Manager. Let's reset this one. And then we compile. There we go. Yeah. GitHub feeds. like we're almost there. MSS.h, not found. Okay. Okay, so... Okay, so that doesn't work. Build interface. Public current source there. Build interface. I'm not sure what this means, this build interface thing. What if we remove this? What happens then? I haven't slept much last days because of excitement. I'm a bit tired still. I think I will be very tired over this day. It's okay. Yeah. So today, I think unless Dominator changes plans or something, there will be like a podcast with Dominator. It seems to be like a live podcast. Which is, I think, surprising that it would be live. My first instinct would have been to like just record it and then, you know, release the recording. But I think maybe he wants to have like chat interactions. I don't know. Cannot open include file mss.h. Okay, so that still doesn't work. So then let's revert that. Well, now we've changed it. I think that's not the best editor here. How about we put the reset here? Yeah, so why? Yeah, why? But this compiles this thing. Maybe we have to... Include directories. Can this not, does not understand that, like, if this is include directory, this thing, then referencing the file in mss/mss.h should find this, no? I don't understand why this doesn't work. That makes no sense. That's really weird. That's really weird. And yeah, so despite beside the Dominator podcast, there will also be a big gathering meeting organized by Ligonier and Community Outpost group, and they want to talk planning. So I guess that will be interesting. Yeah, I think we need to have like more communication. Yeah, not just by chat, by voice. I think is also good. You know. Yeah. Okay, how do we solve this thing? I mean, maybe that's the reason why OmniBlade set it up like this, because it's not a trivial change. It's sad, right? That is sad, yeah. Why does it have to be flat, the file structure? Why? Target include directories. CMake current source there. I don't understand. It's probably some stupid mistake. Let me open a chat session with our friend ChatGPT. Yeah. Let's take this chat here. Let's ask. I have a folder /file.h and want to include it as such in the CMake file folder. In the CMake file, above the folder, we say in the CMake lists.txt, let's say I have a lib/folder in the CMake in the lib/CMake list. We have include let's say here name of lib, public, build interface, current source there. But the other libraries do not see MSS slash do not see folder /file.h. Why is that? Two responses. Wow, it's very generous here. Well, if they would start. Well, that's it. What happened? You're giving feedback on a new version of GPT. Well, my feedback is that nothing happened. It's broke. Okay, let's click stop button. Let's retry. Issues like it caused by target include directory is configured and how the include path is structured. It's only lib as an include path. Aha. Your target command effectively adds lib to the include path. This means that when other libraries include headers from lib, they need to use. Okay, but I do have it like this, not like this. It won't work because lib itself is already an include path. Yeah, that's also my understanding. Yeah, but this doesn't work. Other libraries might not depend. It must link. Target link library. This ensure entails name of the public include directories. Aha. So maybe the fix here is so what do we have right now? This, yeah. Let's close it. We can also close this. So maybe where's the audio, Miles audio device, Miles codes, game engine, device, include, and the CMake is here. There we go. Okay. Target link libraries, Bing stub. Okay, this is already there. Public, private. Where is private? Huh, okay, so we do have it here. Mild stub. Then why is it not working then? Here it says private, but I think that makes no difference. Other library. Well, maybe it should be private. Target include target. Add lib instead. Modify like this. .lib / lib. Yeah, maybe the CMake cache is in the way. Maybe CMake cache. CMake cache. Mild sub CMake. Maybe what we can do is we cannot just delete it. Include cache. MSS. MSS.h. Miles Audio Manager. This one is suspiciously looking. Oh. Right, we didn't revert it. That's a problem. Oh my gosh, I'm retarded. Did we perhaps revert the wrong file before? Maybe. Let's try. Let's try. Yeah, maybe I reverted the wrong file earlier. I thought I reverted Miles Audio Manager, but maybe I misclicked and selected the wrong file. So something else now. How many are these? Should be 19, I think. Minus this one here. Yeah, it's 17. I think I accidentally rolled back the wrong file. Oh boy. Which one was it? Oh boy. That means we need to look. Well, I mean, if we get an error, then we see the error. Then we can look. Oh, it just worked. Look at that. It has just compiled. So, well, whatever maybe there were two. Maybe that's a reason, yeah. Maybe there were two. Yeah, that could be. Okay, good. So that works. Then I will also add this to our to the fixes here. Hold on. Let me unstage this one. And what we do is we take this guy and this guy. So that's a move. Here we put this and that. Yep. And that's it. Okay, and then what we can do is at fix mild stop profile. What did we fix in here? Hold on. We added this one in MSS. Okay, so we touched this file here. Then let's do the move in a separate change. Yeah, then we say fix include path of miles of ms.h in miles stop. Or let's say fix ms include path in miles stop. There we go. Okay, so we got that, and then we will well, so it compiles, that's good. Then I don't know if OmniBlade will show up today, probably not. Yeah, how about we try to get zlib in there? Yeah. So the version that we need, let me see. The readme.md. So the version we need is DirectX version 9.0 or higher. My sound system. Zlib. LZH Lite. LZH Lite source. Looks to be this one here. Make tests. Yeah. Git ignore make file. So would that be the right one? Let's see. Is it H Lite? Yeah. Yeah. So I think we can try to use this one, and then we also need a zlib. What was it? Let's use the search here. We need a zlib number. Let me write to OmniBlade's. I will try to add these two libs to avoid erasing codes just yet. Yeah, because zlib is certainly open source. Zlib, what was the version already? Open the readme. This version, yeah. Okay. Let's see if we can find it. Zlib. Okay, here we have it. Here we have a download zip. Okay, certainly in here. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, let's save this link. Well, let's download this as well. Actually, didn't I already download this? Let me see. Yeah, I have it here, and this one, oh, this one is much smaller. Where is this coming from? I don't know where this is coming from. I downloaded it somewhere. I think someone mentioned it somewhere. I put it. Does it have a license? Setlib. How big is this one? README. Open view. Copyright. Express Iron. In no event will the authors be held liable for any damages. Permission is granted to anyone to use the software for any purpose, including commercial applications, to alter it and redistribute it freely, subject to the following restrictions. The origin of this software must not be misrepresented. You must not claim that you wrote the original software. If you use the software in a product, an acknowledgement in the product documentation would be appreciated, but it's not required. Altered source versions must be plainly marked as such and must not be misrepresented as being the original software. This notice may not be removed. Okay, that's fair. Okay, so this one to me looks like it's perfectly fine to redistribute. This one, I don't know. I don't know where this comes from. I picked it up somewhere. Ugh. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I don't think. Is it HL? Okay, I think what I will be doing, I will just create a repository where I add this. And then I will add another repository where I add this thing. And then we just fetch it in CMake and we just dump it in a folder, and then this should work. Assuming that this one is perfectly compatible. Let's see if it's if this will be referenced. Let's see. That's the wrong repo. LZHL. Compression. Source. H-tag G, H-tag S, Henk, Hoof, Z, yeah, yeah. But what about this Nox compress? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nox compress. Is that part of game code? Nox compress. Yeah, okay, so we have this here. Okay. Okay, no, then this looks like this will be all. So what we can try to do is, yeah, we make 2 repos for this and we fetch it in the CMake, and then, yeah, we need some, it needs to generate a library for this, and then hopefully we can figure it out. Yeah. Okay, let's do that next session. Yeah. Do that next session. Yeah. Yeah. Good. What does Richard say? What is that? Yeah. That's an old conversation. I will be trying to add clean SZH and zlib to CMake setup. CMake setup. I've seen OmniBlade's has commented it out currently. CMake setup. OmniBlade's had it commented out currently. Yeah, unless there's a very good reason to not use it. Maybe this compression manager is not used for anything, but I would assume it is. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I guess we can check it. Like, let's say, yeah, call to decompress file. Let's see if it's called anywhere. Decompress memory. compressed data. It is used, yeah. Data chunk. Yeah, it is used, so we should preserve. So this is not correct here. Yeah. Okay, I will be in the next session. I will be adding these two libraries to CMake setup. Try get it done, and then we can revert all this commenting here, which because it's not cleanly made. I think OmniBlade just wanted to like quickly get it compiling. I guess that was his goal. Yeah. So I will try to do that. Maybe that saves him a bit of time. Yeah, should be good. Okay, good. Maybe that's one of the reasons that things are crashing. I'm not sure. Well, actually, I don't know. Yeah, anyway, I will try to edit, see what happens. Good. Then the session has been almost 2 hours. I think it's a good time to take a break here. Yeah, I really appreciate that people start here commenting on the reports. That's very nice. We still need to migrate some of the reports from Thyme to the new repository. I hope OmniBlade can make this dummy repository at some point. It would be nice. I guess I would just keep poking him every hour and then eventually he will do it. Yeah. Maybe we can take so much conversations here. Maybe we take a look at some of the things. Absolutely. Oh, that's a lot of info here. Yeah. Fixes monitors. What does that fix? Let's see. Set thread execution state. ES continuous. Ah, okay, I see. Going to sleep. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, we won't be committing any actual changes yet. Not before we have the actual build pipeline properly in place and everyone is able to test and do it comfortably, right? Okay. You can drop flag to resource node and all future build harvesters would have gather command on that node. All future build harvesters would have gather command on that node. I think I think this is what was suggested here in this conversation. Somewhere. Would be cool. Physically click on a supply visit. Yeah. Rally point on the unsafe and you will continually mine from there. Yeah. Yeah. Alpha or damage output. Damage output. Strongly copy left. Major issue if EA ever wants to integrate community contributions. Yeah, I'm not going to read through all this. My take on this is that EA doesn't need to push anything of the things that we build. It's not necessary. We can push all these things ourselves. like we have always done. Like Gentool is pushed, and more than 90% of users use Gentool. So I think it is inevitable that the community will adapt a superior version of 0 Hour if we do it right, and I'm convinced that we do it right. Yeah, I think so. So I wouldn't be worried about this. Yeah, they. I don't think that EA would pick it up because yeah, it doesn't make much sense. I think I'm happy. I'm absolutely happy the way it is right now because we are enabled to do all the changes that we want to do to build this game up to a much better version, and it's simply not necessary. And I mean, they have the Steam Workshop. Well, well, maybe there would be like a rationale to maybe say, okay, the Steam Workshop, maybe it could also accept like mods, right, to distribute. Maybe that could be a question. But in my opinion, like it also will be totally fine if we build our own tooling that can manage all the content. And I've already mentioned it because not all users would want to use Steam, for example. Maybe they just want to use a custom tool that is catered to 0 Hour, and it just enables everything to do, and it gives us the freedom to build an ecosystem around 0 Hour with full freedom to customize it any way we want, and we can push anything at any time, every time. So we are not bound to any restrictions. The problem is if you deal with a third party, you're reliant on their cooperation, right? So and I think it is not necessary. Yeah, I think I mean, it's maybe nice to have because then it has like this official label. I think that is a big thing there, but I don't think that is it's a big problem. No, I don't think so. I mean, as I said, Gentool is also not official, but yeah, most users use it, right? Or used it in the past. I don't know if they still use it now after it's not compatible with 1.05 right now. I still need to look into this. I have a dialogue with CC Hyper, and yeah, maybe we can figure this out. Good. Then, yeah, I will take a break here. Then I wish you a great day or night. Until next time, goodbye.